Jai Hind children, welcome in your computer class. I hope you all are doing the coding of HTML, isn't it? Either in your notebook or in your laptop or in your computer. So till now we have completed some basic parts, some basic coding of HTML. That how you can insert the text, how can you modify, make it bold, italic and underline. Then how to insert the heading, as well as we have changed the background color of the web page, isn't it? These things we have done already in the previous class. Now in today's class we will do some extra, we will insert some extra tags, we will use different tags in this class, and we will use the CSS sheets also. So what are that, what we will do in those things, how we can apply it in our web page to make it modify, to make it more attractive. Okay, this we will do in today's class. So be ready with your notebook children. You have to write down the code. I said it earlier now, you have to write down the code also. You have to focus and write down the codes. In one window I will explain how to write it, and in another window I will show you what will be the output of that tag. If you are using that tag, what will be the output of that tag? Just in the same screen, in one screen I will type the coding, and in another we will see the output in the browser, isn't it? So let me go to my screen. Okay children, so before starting the coding part, let's see the cascading style sheet. What is this children? This is a set of style rules for defining the layout of HTML documents. Means we will set some rules so that our HTML document will look in that way. It will control the color of text. It will give the style to the font. We can give spacing also in between the paragraphs. Then size and layout of background images, as well as variety of other effects. So basically the benefits of CSS includes control layout of many documents from one single style sheet. Okay, external and internal. There are two style sheets children, inline and then internal or embedded, and one is external. We use style sheets so that we can define the different tags properties. Like if you have to beautify some text, then how you can do it? Either you can do it line by line, or you can do it internally on a single place, or you can do it externally by creating a separate style sheet. Okay, and then that separate file we will merge in it. Maybe these words will be a little bit confusing to you right now, because it is you are learning it first time, isn't it? So but when we will do it now, you will easily understand that what ma'am was talking about. Cascading style sheet. So this, from this we can have the control. Okay, we can apply different layouts, and it includes various advanced options also. Some terminologies children. Property. So it defines how the element look different in a web page. Like for example, what will be its color, what will be its border, what will be the size of that font. So we can use these properties, and whatever value we will insert in that, it will be according to that property. Like for example, if you can see here we have given color, then colon green. Here color is the property. What is the color? Color is the property of that particular tag, isn't it? And green is its value. We want to give green color in that particular tag, so we will use in this way. Now the selector children. Selector is the name of HTML element in which we are applying it. Okay, in which we are applying it. For example, if you will apply this color green in paragraph, then P Paragraph, for paragraph we used to write P na, so P will be the selector. If you want to if you want to give green color in the line, then for line we used to insert HR. So HR will be the selector at that time. Which tag, which HTML element we want to select, that will be the selector. Okay, see here, you can see this H1 is the selector, H1 is the tag children, isn't it? H1 के बारे में हम पढ़ चुके हैं. H1 is heading tag, largest one. So H1, that heading tag, color is the property, should be blue, value हो जाएगी blue, color value will be blue. So here H1 is the selector, H1 is selecting a color, which color? Blue color. And one more property we are inserting here, font size. उस H1 का font size क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Font size colon 20 pixels, 20 px. Okay, so the font size of that H1, that heading should be 20 px, and the whole one is called as together the selector and the declaration. Together it is forming the rule. So this is the rule. Okay, cascading style sheet is having 3 sets of rules. See, in line, one by one we are giving like this, HR style is equal to this, color will be this. So in this way we have to repeat it for every element. So apart from this, you can give internally also. In that particular HTML coding you can write in this way. See, style, in between style and slash style, whatever rules you will write it here, it will be applied on the whole. Okay, it will applied on the whole. So HR will be applied for all HR tag if you are writing in between style and slash style. So for each HR element, no need to write it separately like in here. So this is the advantage of internal. Okay, and one more is external. For this we used to write the same coding in a different notepad file and we used to save it in .css extension. हम उसको .css extension से सेव करते हैं और फिर we used to insert it in the main notepad file. So one by one we will start doing this, children. सबसे पहले है background property. See this background property. So for this what we can do, color, image, repeat, position and attachment. ये सारी की सारी properties हैं किसकी बेटा? For background property. HTML allows us to set the background. So what we can do, we can write it in between style. See this, they have used style, na? Style and slash style in between these two elements, HTML elements. If you are defining that rule, it will be applied for the whole. Earlier what we have done in the previous class, I have started body tag and in that I have used BG color. But right now what I will do, I will write down in between style and slash style. Okay, see this. So HTML head title, write down the title, then style, what we are writing? Style. Okay, and style type is equal to text or CSS. In double quotes you have to write. Then write down the selector. कौन select कर रहा है? Body tag, isn't it? Body tag. And in between curly braces you have to write down background dash color colon yellow. ठीक है? And this will be the property and yellow is the value. So body यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? What is the body? Body is the selector. Then background color is the property. पूरा नाम हमने वहाँ पे BG color दिया था in the previous example. और अगर इस तरह से लिखना हो बेटा by using the CSS, then you will use the style element. Style और slash style के बीच में आप लिखेंगे body. Body is the tag. यहाँ से start हो रहा है ये body. ठीक है? इस body और slash body के अंदर using background color different property ये this text will appear. But how it will look? Its background color should be yellow. So हमने BG कलर की जगह अब यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया? बैकग्राउंड डैश कलर, देन सेपरेट करते हैं कॉलन से, कॉलन एंड देन वी विल यूज टू गिव द इट्स वैल्यू. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू दे दिया. इन द सेम वे अगर आपको इमेज लगाना है बेटा, इफ यू हैव टू इंसर्ट एन इमेज इन द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टैग, देन बैकग्राउंड इमेज इज इक्वल टू इज कॉलन वैल्यू, ये हम देंगे, ठीक है। और वैल्यू में क्या होगा, इन द वैल्यू वी यूज टू गिव द पाथ ऑफ दैट इमेज। देखिए बॉडी यहाँ पे सिलेक्टर है, बैकग्राउंड इमेज इज द प्रॉपर्टी एंड द URL क्या होगा बेटा यहाँ पे, URL इज द लोकेशन ऑफ दैट इमेज वेयर इट इज सेव्ड इन योर कंप्यूटर। आपके कंप्यूटर में वो कहाँ सेव है, हियर it's showing that it is saved that this teamwork.png, this is the name of that picture। ये कहाँ पे सेव है, C पे, यूजर के अंदर, फिर डेस्कटॉप में, फिर HTML के अंदर, ऐसे ये पूरा पाथ है बेटा। ये पाथ कैसे मिलता है वो भी हम आपको बताएंगे, ठीक है, नो नीड टू वरी। सो सी द बैकग्राउंड इमेज इज हियर। आफ्टर दैट बैकग्राउंड पोजीशन है, बैकग्राउंड पोजीशन एंड देन वैल्यू। So where value can be in percentage, okay, X%, Y%, top, center, bottom, कहाँ पे होगा, उस पोजीशन कहाँ है उसकी, X position and Y position. For this we use X pos and Y pos. Specify the horizontal, vertical positions. X% horizontal और Y% वर्टिकल पोजीशन। और ये परसेंटेज में अगर आपको देना है कि हॉरिजेंटल का 50% हो, ठीक है, या वर्टिकल का 60% हो। सो इफ यू वांट टू गिव इट इन परसेंटेज यू कैन गिव इन दिस वे, इफ यू वांट टू गिव इट इन पिक्सेल्स यू कैन गिव इन दिस वे। देन टॉप, सेंटर, बॉटम, लेफ्ट, सेंटर, राइट, दीज आर द पोजिशनिंग वैल्यूज। टॉप then center and then bottom, ये हो गया ऐसे, left then center and then right. So where that image should be inserted, ये इस तरह का है। background repeat क्या करता है बेटा, you can set the same pattern of background image in a repetitive manner, ठीक है। repetitive manner में अगर आपको background लगाना है तो, अगर no repeat है तो image will not be repeated। रिपीट X है तो इमेज विल बी रिपीटेड ओनली हॉरिजेंटली। रिपीट Y है अगर तो इमेज विल बी रिपीटेड वर्टिकली ऑल्सो। एंड रिपीट अगर सिर्फ रिपीट लिखा है, सो रिपीट क्या है, डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू, इमेज विल बी रिपीटेड इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन, ये डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू है। सिंपली अगर आप रिपीट लिखते हो, रिपीट X नहीं लिखोगे, रिपीट Y नहीं लिखोगे, तो ये डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू भी है और ये दोनों डायरेक्शन में रिपीट कर देगा उस पर्टिकुलर इमेज को। मल्टीपल इमेजेस आ जाएंगे वहां पे, ठीक है। बैकग्राउंड अटैचमेंट क्या करता है, दिस इज फिक्सिंग द इमेज इन द बैकग्राउंड और टू मेक इट स्क्रॉल व्हेन द यूजर स्क्रॉल द रेस्ट ऑफ द पेज। So for this, what is the syntax? Background attachment, this is the property, and value. Value क्या होगी, either fixed or scroll. Clear? Either fixed or scroll. See here, they have given background image. This is the selector, that is body. Body tag के अंदर वो image लगे. Background image, ये पूरा का पूरा property का नाम है बेटा, background image. Then we will give the URL of that image. We will give the URL, okay, where it is saved. Then background position कहाँ हो, top, center, top पर और center पर. Background repeat no. Background repeat no means no repeat means it will not be repeated. As you can see here, only one flower is there. There is no multiple flowers. So there is no repeat. अगर आप यहाँ पे no repeat नहीं लिखेंगे तो by default this repeat, this will be there by default, यही एक्टिव रहेगा बेटा, and it will repeated in both the direction like this multiple images आ जाएंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है। then after that, okay, no repeat, and then background attachment क्या है, fix means if you will scroll it down then this will not go in up and down direction. ये आपका फिक्स है, इट विल नॉट बी स्क्रॉल्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्क्रॉलिंग। आप अगर कर्सर को वेब पेज के नीचे जा रहे हैं, तो बॉटम में जा रहे हैं वेब पेज के, तो इमेज विल नॉट बी मूव्ड विद along with your scrolling. It will be fixed there only where it is placed. So in this way we have completed this chapter. You can see the recap. It is very very important, children. You have to do it. And then the fill in the blanks, then true false, everything you have to do in your copy, children, in your notebook. Either complete it in your book and then do the question answer, at least these things in your notebook. Okay, and after that we are having activity session also. If you are having PC, you can do it. You can see how the output will come. See, they have inserted an image, then you can see the different text, color, size, everything. They have used the italic one, bold one, so each and everything. See, they have given the instruction also. From where you will get this picture, children? You can get it from the Google. Okay, images में जाइए, you can get it from endangered species. See, they have given it also. So either this picture or insert something else. So in this way you can create your web page. You can create your web page, children. Now, apart from this, if you will start it by today, what you can do, children, you start it from here, background properties, and then start it with this coding. First of all, write down HTML, then head, then title will be your own title, then type the same thing, style type is equal to text slash CSS. What do you have to type? Style type is equal to text CSS, and body background color colon के बाद आएगा value. What will be the background color? Yellow. You can give something else. You can give different color also. Okay. So this is the whole way. This is the proper rule of for writing this properties. पहले क्या लिखेंगे? Selector. Which one is the selector? Body. So this body tag will pick it. ये जो body tag है ना, ये body slash body, इसमें जो भी लिखा है, this will be printed and this will pick the property from here. जो style और slash style के बीच में लिखा है बेटा. So body and then background color colon yellow. Curly braces closed. Open the curly braces and then curly braces closed. After that we will close the style. Are you getting it? First you will write the style type is equal to text slash CSS. Then in between, then you will start the body. Selector कौन सा tag use कर रहा है? So body, background color है property का नाम, and yellow is its property value. इस property की value है ये. आप yellow की जगह आप कुछ और भी दे सकते हैं, but you can't change these things. Background color is the property which is defined to them. Defined to HTML, so no need to change this, children. ये आपको ऐसे ही लिखना होगा, COLOR ही लिखना होगा, COLOUR if you will write, it will not be, the color will not be changed. And yellow की जगह आप अपनी specific color डाल सकते हैं. Then close this and close head. After that start the body tag, and in between body and slash body tag, whatever you will write, paragraph, text, story, whatever you write, it will appear on this web page. ना ये output दिखा रहा है बेटा. So in this way, this will be the file. इसको save करेंगे .html से. How you will save this file? Save it with the same name .html. .css जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, वो किसके लिए? When you are writing this style slash style coding, they are writing, ये अगर आप अलग से दे रहे हैं, if you are writing it in a separate notepad file, then it is called as external CSS. Then you are using an external CSS, मतलब दूसरी फाइल से आप ले रहे हैं, तो उस समय उस फाइल का नाम क्या होगा? जो नाम देंगे आप वो, and .css will be its extension. Okay, then at that time its extension will be .css. So in this way you can insert the color. So what you will do today, you will practice this. How? And then in the next class we will start this coding also. And see the second one, how to use the image. Next class में हम image भी insert करेंगे. कैसे? Style type is equal to text slash CSS. This is the first line which you have to write, isn't it? After heading, see they have not written the title. इस वाले कोडिंग में बेटा टाइटल नहीं दिया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If you will not write the title, title will not be displayed. That's all. If you will write the title like this, if you will write the title using background color property /title, so title will appear. See here, using background color. ये देखो title, it will appear. Otherwise, if you will not write, तो title नहीं आएगा. उसकी जगह आपका उस फाइल का नाम आ जाएगा. देखिए यहाँ पे title नहीं आ रहा है. So they have used directly. After head they have written style type is equal to, in quotes they have written text /CSS. Then which one is selector? Body tag. What is the property? Background image. Then colon लगाते हैं, हाँ. And then we will give the location in double quotes children. We will give the location. पूरा लोकेशन कहाँ पर है वो, which file, which image you want to insert. They have inserted this image. So this image is the image is stored in at this place. So right click on that image and go to property option. जैसे ही आप right click करके property option पे जाओगे, there you will find the location. You have to simply copy and paste it over here. वहां से कॉपी करेंगे लोकेशन एंड वी विल पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर. हम लिखने नहीं जाएंगे बेटा, अदरवाइज इफ एन स्पेस विल बी देयर और वी विल राइट इट, वी विल नॉट राइट इट करेक्टली, देन दैट इमेज विल नॉट बी डिस्प्लेड. सो बेटर टू कॉपी द लोकेशन from the image. How you will get the location? See, I am telling you how you will get the location of any file. Like for example, if I am having pictures like this, so if you will right click on it, right click and see the properties. See this properties, ये properties है बेटा, ठीक है. And this is the location. See this, ये location करेंगे क्या, क्लिक ऐसे select and right click on it, this only, इस selection पे ही आपको right click करना है. And this is PNG file children, its name is this. So location आप कॉपी करेंगे, कॉपी करके वहां पेस्ट करना होगा. And then what is the name? This one, this you have to copy. ये नेम हो जाएगा और एक्सटेंशन है .png. ये कॉपी नहीं करना, ये अपने आप लिख देंगे. So first we will write the location, then we will put a slash sign, then we will take this file name and then .png. So each and everything I will discuss with you. Okay, I will discuss with you. First of all, you should know how to write that. This is the main thing. So better to write it in copy today, style, type, text /CSS, give the selector name, the property name and its value. And then when you will be in habit of writing it, then it will be in when we will write it in Notepad, or if you will write it in Notepad, then it will be better for you. In between style and /style, they have given the body image location. Okay, so in this way this has appeared. Image भी आ गई, and in between body and /body whatever is written, 3 lines were written, so it is now appearing here. And then one more example is for everything children, for everything they have inserted image by giving the location. They have inserted they have set the position also. उसकी position क्या है तो उन्होंने सेट किया है, रिपीट है तो नहीं. एंड बैकग्राउंड अटैचमेंट इज फिक्स्ड और स्क्रॉल, बैकग्राउंड अटैचमेंट इज फिक्स्ड हियर. सो दीज 3 things we will do in next class. Okay, am I clear to you children? I hope the coding part is clear to you. Today I will upload the question answers part of this particular chapter also. So go through the app and school app, log in and see in the e-content option. Okay, e-content option, the name of the chapter is there and you can see the question answers of this chapter also. Write down in your classwork notebook and then you have to revise whole chapter. Clear? We can do the revision and the leftover part of this chapter in next class also. So till here whatever we have done, please revise it and make it sure that it is clear to you. Okay, bye children.